Hello guys, we're back again for another session, for another programming. I think this is not yet programming. This is actually I think not yet programming because we are currently still on the creation of the layout. By definition, I don't think we are. Let's check the definition of programming. Okay, so programming refers to a technological process for telling a computer which tasks to perform in order to solve problems. So I think we are not yet solving any problems as of now. I think we are just plainly coding right now. Yeah, I think we are only coding. Okay, so probably we're currently coding. Oh, coding and computer programming is synonymous. Anyway, CSS and HTML are actually starting to get a bit more. They're starting to have more features right now. And before I forget, I would like to visit the nav menu. No, the entire web app, I think. So instead of this one, I have a problem with this one. Wait a minute. I should use SBH for this one. So I'll put SBH on the web app. SBH. I think this is the one that would tell the gives you units that you can use to fill the screen when the browser UI is at its largest and the website content is at its let's try this one. So our problem is in the mobile. There is a address bar. The mobile phones and the browsers in them have this address bar wherein if you scroll it resizes. So I think I think that's the reason why I should use SBH. Okay, so we have SBH now. I think I'll test it by I'll test it here in the back end by uploading it to the repository. So that I could test it in my phone. So for now it is currently syncing in the background. So I'm waiting on my phone to see if it would adjust. My problem is this radial knob menu that I have. When I scroll up on the phone, it goes right up more than it should, since there is still a address bar on the top. So I'm trying out SBH if that would solve the problem. Nope, I don't think it did. And I think there is still a I think let's try all of them. So we have dynamic viewport height. I'll also upload it to the repository. I don't know how to mimic that kind of feature on my browser, so I'm currently testing it on my phone. So I'm trying to see on my phone if so I tested what do you call this? DVH, which is dynamic viewport height. Nope, it doesn't. Still doesn't solve my problem. Let's try the last one. So the last one would be LVH. If I cannot solve it now, I'll try to leave it as a to-do. Then I'll proceed on swapping out my toggle buttons, since that's my current target for this session. So this is going to be a toggle button. So maybe I would need to have to put this one here, a to do. So the radial nav menu. So I'm currently using wrap on the text editor so that I don't have to scroll too much. So if I cannot solve it, I'll just leave it for another I think I didn't. I think I was not able to solve it. It seems the problem is the bottom. VH. I think I can solve it, so I'll fix it next time. So I'll go ahead and focus here right now. So I'll be copying the structure of this one, burger menu. So I have this burger menu here. So I'll be copying this so it's going to be a label since it's a toggle button. Marvin Kines, uy, welcome sa ating live stream session. Ano nga ba ginagawa ko? So I'm currently going to copy this one. I don't think I can use span for this. I think I'll have to use div. This is going to be a div for the problem is the name. View toggle, view type toggle. No, view mode toggle. I'll just use class boundary instead. It should be class. Then this one. So I have this one now. Let's try putting this inside and see if it will destroy our layout. Yes, it did. So let's go back. So where did we go wrong? Span. What's happening? The boundary is outside. Oh, it's the position. It should have been absolute. Nope, 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 nope. So we now have that one. We are trying to look for no button. Oh, it's this one. I think this one's the cause. So what's the reason? So the span I think the span should have its own all of them should have their own divs. Oh, that would mean that it's not the third child anymore. Okay. Okay, so I should have maybe I should have removed the span. Div class toggle class min label. I'm planning to have it like this one. Input. The problem with this one is that we do not have the general look and feel for this yet. I think it was grid underscore on grid view. Okay, so I think I have to change. These are buttons. How should I do this? Should I put boundary into everything? Menu label. Okay, it's a menu label. It has a boundary. Okay, for now it seems where's the overflow hidden? Nope, it's not showing. Why is it not showing? It's not even inside. I think the color. Nope, it's not the color. So why is it not position opacity 0? Oh, opacity. So it's there. It's a button. That's the problem. Okay, that's problem. Okay. So I think I'll have to remove this one for now. There we go. The problem now is so I have to name this one. This is view dash grid. Then this one is view dash list. Oh no, I have interchanged them. So the first one is view list, the other is view grid. These are the toggle buttons that I'll be using, so I'll have to find the not menu buttons, not the button, not the boundary, input toggle. I think I have to copy this. So I'll add view dash grid and also view dash list. There. So by default it would show us a grid, so I'll have to hide list. Okay, then I think I can hide the toggle button now, the checkbox, I mean checkbox. There, it's now centered. So I will be focusing now on the animation of this button. Where is it? So input toggle, this one is not needed. I think this one. So I'll just copy and paste this, then change the ID. So now it would be view mode toggle. I don't think it's working yet. View mode toggle. So inside view mode toggle there is a menu label, class boundary. So the input, if it's checked and has it's not burger close anymore. It should have been view list. Then this one is view dash grid. Okay, it works now. So by default it's in the grid view, but we can toggle it so that it becomes list view. So now we have to put it back inside this one. Let's try. The challenge on this one would be relocating the other three. I don't think it would work that easily, since I have to put it inside of the original nav menu back first. It has to go back in there. The boundary. Nope, it's not. I'm currently looking for where is the... Oh, I also think that I can just use Torem and for the bottom and right. Let's change that before I forget. So since I have that one now, let's go back here. So it's the nav menu. Wait a minute. The label. Image folder. I'm currently looking for the... Why is this? Oh yeah, I forgot I put this one inside, so I'll have to check the... Why is it? Oh, this one. Menu buttons. This one is positioned absolute, so I should also position the instead of relative. I think it should be absolute also. Wrong spelling. So now it's inside. But the problem now is making it come out. So let's try and modify it inline first. Boundary and then div. Oh, wait. There are two boundaries here. Why did I do that? This should be button. The others should not be button. Okay, let's try. Maybe that's the reason. Let's try this first. Okay. So this one did not go out, but it's considered to be a button. It's just not the span, so I think I should remove the span. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, it works now. So let's try this one. Okay, it still works. That looks good. I like it. But the problem now is the background color. So I'll have to change the background color for this. Let's look for the background color. So it's not in the span. It's not in the... No, it's in the boundary. The menu label does not have background. So let's just remove the... Let's just remove the background for the boundary. Style. Background color. None. Oh, it didn't work. Invalid property value. I think it was unset. Oh, it was unset. Unset. Okay, there we go. So far, it's good. We can now toggle this one. So far, we are having a good progress. Actually, I chose to do this so that I can focus on this project. I decided to live stream it for that reason. It's my own way of pushing myself, or should I say motivating myself. I decided to make up some roles, so I'm currently streaming 1 hour daily. Just to be able to document the development of this web app. So I have this one now. So by default, it would appear that it is in grid view. Or should I do the opposite? I think it should be the opposite. I think by default it should show the list. So if the view mode is in grid view, the button should be list. Let's change that. So view grid. This is view list. Then this one is view grid. So this one will show. Okay. So far it's good. It looks well. So again, I have a problem with my, this is CSS bottom. Let's try CSS bottom, SBH, or maybe not SBH, let's try LBH. There is currently not much of a there is currently not much of content that is pertaining to the new viewport units. The problem is we are putting the nav menu at the bottom. Then we have a scrolling viewport. Once the what do you call this? Wait a minute, the body in the web app is, meanwhile the body overflow auto. What if I put scroll? Nothing happens. I don't remember putting overflow scrolls anywhere. I forgot, so I have to backtrack again. Hey, what's this? Overflow is auto. So it's this one. Let's try putting border. Green. Or maybe we should use back shadow instead. It's destroying the scroll, so let's use back shadow. 0px 0px 2px 0px inset green. Oh, I have interchanged the blur and spread. Sadly, I cannot see the... Oh, I cannot see the... Because it's inside. Okay, let's try. Let's try copying this. Where can I... Oh, there's a... I copied too much, so it resulted into an error. So here is our... Okay. So our nav menu is scrollable, but it is hidden inside this one. So if we choose hidden, it will not scroll. Overflow auto. So what else do we have? Scroll, visible. Inherit, no. I think auto is just right. So the web app will limit the height of the nav menu. No, of the grid holder. So let's remove the background color. Then let's also remove the back shadow. So currently this is what it looks like. There is a problem with the viewport, because when I scroll past the viewport, it would only show the it will be having a conflict with the viewport height on the phone. I saw earlier that the viewport of my layout seems to bug when it is on the phone, since I have to scroll up and the nav menu would follow. So I think I'll have to fix that. I do not know yet how SBH and other... Maybe I should try. Let's modify it one last try before I end my stream. We already got our goal for today, which is this one, the toggle button inside the nav menu. So let's try and read. Okay. New CSS units. So the large view viewport percentage unit LVH or LVW are defined with respect to the large viewport size. The viewport size, assuming any UI interfaces that are dynamically expanded and retracted to be retracted. In other words, the size when the browser UI is the smallest and the website content is the largest. LVH is essentially how the VH unit currently at the time of this writing acts. So this is the default way of how the current VH functions. Okay, so the SV units are defined as the small viewport percentage units are defined with respect to the small viewport size. The viewport size, assuming any... Oh, okay. So this one is... Okay, so let's try SVH again. Then I'll push the code into my repository. I think I'll have to put some of the where can I put it? Maybe inside one of the boxes. So I'll put one there for the meantime. Still doesn't work. So I think I'll try the... I think it should be fixed instead of absolute, maybe. But let me try. I think one last try. Instead of SVH, I'll try the VH for the dynamic. So I'm currently pushing the code into my repository so that I can view it on my phone. So I'm currently waiting for it to reflect on my phone. DVH doesn't work. I simply think that there's a problem with my CSS. Okay, so it's on my phone now, but it doesn't Well, I think it doesn't work quite well. So I think that's it for now. So guys, feel free to subscribe on our channel so that you'll get notified whenever we are online. So that's it. See you guys. See you next live stream session. Bye.